Hey guys, so today I'll be talking about my pet dog. His name is Benjamin Rollin, and his birthday is coming up on the May 24th. So he'll be 2. So in that occasion, I'll be talking about how we got him and the moments we shared with him and all of that. I thought I'll take this moment to share all of this with you people. And yeah, so let's continue with the video. But before that, I just wanted to tell you that I love to blog. So I have a website where I blog every first week and third week of the month, and I also post videos over here on YouTube every second week and fourth week of the month. So please follow me over there if you are not already doing it. So my dog Benjamin Roland, my brother actually named him that, Benjamin Roland. And when we first got him, he was such a little cutie pie, and I always wanted to document his growth. So when he was about 1.5 months, we took him. So from 2 months, I've been documenting, like taking pictures of him constantly for 2 months, next 3 months, and then 4 months as well, and at 5 months. But after 5 months, I got a project in Hyderabad. So I had to move, and I could not document his growth anymore. So I stopped doing that. But every time that I would meet him, then I would always take so many pictures of him, like throughout the 3 days or 1 day or 2 days that I come to Pune to meet my family and see my dog. I take full on pictures of him, and every time I do come home, he gets so possessive, so attached. I'll show you the videos of those.
Hello.
Benjo! Benjo! Hello?
Ball.
So the whole time that me and my mother were there in Hyderabad, he would be so upset. He also ate through the concrete wall to me. Like he literally ate through it because he was so tense that no one was there at home. He felt homesick. He wanted the both of us, but obviously we couldn't do that. And yeah, so after we did eventually come back to Pune, we actually took him on a trip to Bandra Dada, I think so. Bandra Dada. So we took him to a resort kind of thing, where they allowed dogs and stuff. So you should see how much anxious he was. Like, if the four of us were in one place, he would be so happy. But if one person goes out, then he starts shaking, he starts getting so anxious. He did not leave us be the whole trip. He was so tense, so anxious. Like, maybe he would have been happier in dog hostel. But yeah, that was a trip. And you should see, when he came back home, he slept as if he owned the whole house. He slept as like a king at our house when he came back. So the 3-4 days that we were there in that trip, he had no sleep, no break, nothing. Like, we were intending a break, a fun-filled weekend, but for him it was not like that. So, along with all these trips and all, me and my brother like to be a bit sadistic. We like to challenge him with certain things, and yeah, I think you guys would enjoy watching a few of these video clips which we did on him. So yeah, now my dog is gonna be 2 years old, and the first year when he turned 1, I was actually, me and my mom, both of us were not there. We were in Hyderabad, so we missed his 1 year. So now he's gonna be 2, and we want to make a dog cake. We're not sure yet, but yeah, we want to make a dog cake. And if you want more dog content, if you like my dog and you want to see more of him, then you have to follow my Instagram, because I post daily, like, videos of him when he was small, videos of him when he's funny and all, when I laugh. So if you enjoy all those, then please follow my Instagram. And if you like this video, please like it. And if you want more dog content, then please leave it in the comments, and I might do another one.